In this video, I'll show you how to change your GitHub username. First, open your browser and go to github.com, then log into your GitHub account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click on Account. Here, you'll see your current username. Click Change Username next to it. Click I understand. Let's change my username. Enter your new username and click Change My Username. GitHub will check if the username is available. If it is, confirm the change by clicking Change My Username again. Once done, your GitHub profile will automatically update to the new username. Click on your profile picture and select Your Profile. Here, you can see your new username. Keep in mind that your old username links may stop working, so update any repositories or project URLs that used your previous username. That's it. Your GitHub username has been changed successfully. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.